You know what time it is, folks. That's right. It's time for more Doc Reo. All right, today, folks. Today, you're probably wondering why my voice is echoing, and mainly it's because I am currently in a hotel room in Washington, D.C. Check it out. For those who didn't know, I'm dollying here around the hotel room, just dollying around the hotel room. But, with that being said, I just wanted to get on here and talk to you all about, generally speaking, production and creating and being creative. For me, I think a lot of us feel like, yeah, we have this creative ability inside of us. We have this ability to do so much more. But every once in a while, we get stifled by other people's opinions, what the haters think and when I say haters, there may be some people we love and care about who are haters in this instance. As a matter of fact, those are probably the biggest haters you will have. And unfortunately, it's not because they don't care about you. It's just because they know you and they probably don't see it in their head that you're going to get to that next level. And I don't want to say that it's bad that they're haters. Actually, haters are good. People telling you in your life, people in your family telling you, and people that you know close telling you that you can't do something is definitely a great motivator. If you use it, transmutate it, and put it back in. I know there's a lot of people out there talking about all this sexual transmutation. I know there's a lot of people talking about all this transmuting their energies for all different reasons. But seriously, let's take a moment in ourselves, and I got to do this too, just as much as anyone else. Let's try to transmute negative energies and turn those energies into positive action-making energies. You see what I mean? Take that negative energy, use the force from it, because the negative energy always tends to be stronger than a lot of our positive energies. And that negative energy tends to get us in the wrong light in our lives. Like, for instance, that idea about idle hands is the devil's playground. Well, I know some of you don't believe in a higher power or a lower power, in that sense. But let's just say idle hands leaves us to thinking about trying to do things that don't benefit us. When we aren't out there grinding and reaching and trying to get things and trying to achieve those goals and breaking through those fears that we have and actually taking our energies and transmuting it into something positive, then we're just living in negative energy. And I know a lot of people live in negative energy. I've lived in negative energy. Negative energy is damaging to us. It brings us down and it pushes us into this world where we do things like complain all the time, blame other people, don't take credit or don't take credit for our own actions, and end up possibly using alcohol or drugs to try to stimulate that absence, that void that we're trying to fill. So it's up to you all out there. It really is. Where do you want to be on this fence? I know where I want to be, and I know where I'm striving to go. And one of the major things that I'm striving to do is to keep taking my steps forward, keep making it through these barriers, keep breaking through these fears and taking trips that I not necessarily wasn't ready to take, but wasn't ready to take mentally. Making moves in your life and stepping over those obstacles that we think in our life are holding us back. I have a song, and in that song, it says something about, I'm taking my steps to climb, running on time, almost home, still going, till I cross the line. We ain't done until we cross that finish line. And you know what? Even when we cross that finish line, we see another finish line we want to cross. That should be our mentality. People, I know sometimes I get in this mode too. You don't want to work, scared to work, afraid to work, or working is too hard, or getting work is too hard, or it's too hard to find work. All those are just obstacles. You keep pushing through them and you will find success. Keep believing in yourself to retrieve the skills and tools you need to achieve success. This is Doc Reo. I'm not only saying this to remind you all, but it's always to remind those fingers that are pointing back at me. Me. You know, one finger forward, three fingers back. Everything I say here. So I'm listening to it, and I hope I can remember it each and every day. And every day I try to remember each step. So try to remember it for yourself to reach out there, grab your goals, make moves, and take risk. Take risk to achieve your dreams. You got to do it. This is Doc Reo. I'm out of here. See you soon. I would say stay tuned for the Doc Reo roll, but you know, if you need to reach us on Facebook, it's at Doc.Reo, yeah. On Twitter at Doc Reo Rants. On Instagram, the picture way. And every time I come, I'm here to stay. Snapping photos and get it right. It's at Doc Reo tonight. Saying on YouTube, you can't stop by Doc Reo TV. That's where you see me. That's where you see me. Or hit us for ReoBugs.com. Yeah. Back to your regularly scheduled program now. Peace. I'm out.